Hey, Zeus. Oh, well, Zeus, I'm very excited to announce, if you can't kind of tell, I mean, it's black and orange accounts, right? It is officially HalloZween season, which means we need some sort of creepy, spooky, and Halloweeny vibe toy. So I say let's get right to it. Yeah. Oh, that didn't end well. You're supposed to catch that. Deddy Bear's blind box coffin. It's spooky and puntastic, so I don't know what's in here. There's only one way to find out. Let's open it up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z. This is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. Now, his butt, because he's never facing the camera like he should. And today we're bringing you Deddy Bear's blind box coffin surprise by Innovate Creative Academy. It's quite the name. Each box has one mystery mini plushie in it, which again, they're said teddy bears and steady bears, so they're going to be Halloween bears. But you gotta appreciate the packaging. It's tiny little coffins. So I say, let's open up what I think are the first ones. On the side of the coffin, it does show you the ones you can get in each series. Is that a pumpkin bear? Woo! His name is Squash. This is probably one of the ones I wanted most. Oh, and it comes with a little, is this like a little birth certificate? Death certificate? His favorite smell is cinnamon. He loves candles, and his weakness is soup. Okay, well, we're gonna prop you up in your little coffin. All right. Is that a mummy? His name's Bundle, and he likes the smell of old socks, loves silence, and weakness is moisture. Oh, because I guess he's mummy and they should be dry, and moisture would make him yucky. Now for the newer series. Are you gonna leave those there, or are they gonna get eaten? If you're gonna be here, can you at least like provide a claw, just like scratch along this line? No? Okay. All right. First of the white coffin. What is it? Oh my God! It's a little. Okay, so on the back of the box, there's 6 to collect. There is one that has a little ultra rare, and it is Frostbite, the Yeti bear. This is Frostbite, and he loves the smell of fish, loves popsicles, and is weak to fire. I mean, technically, aren't we all weak to fire? Okay. Oh my God, he's so cute. He kind of matches you. For the record, when he was a kitten, he was, other than like black nose and black socks and tail, he was completely like bleach white with these little ice blue eyes, and his name was almost Yeti, so it's fitting that we got him. Okay, next. Yo, give me my Deddy bear. Please. I have to remember to start using manners more instead of just always yelling at the toy boxes. Oh, good Lord. Twofer. He loves the smell of copper. Loves a coin. Weakness, decisions. Oh, so it might be a play on that random comic book supervillain that has more than one face and flips a coin. It's Frankenbear, and he loves the smell of rotting fish, loves bedtime stories, and his weakness is thunderstorms. Overall, these are, yeah, they're a HalloZween win. It's just a simple little plush, but I mean, you can prop them up. I mean, you might prop them up on a shelf, or we just prop them up on the cat. But they're really cute, and the fact that you get like this little coffin as the packaging, there's really no plastic waste, so you can kind of just keep this as part of the toy, so everything's getting used. I love it. Thank you so much for tuning in this week, and make sure you tune in next week for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More HalloZween, creepy, spooky, fun time and puns. Teddy bears? Teddy bear? No? Okay. He's not big on the puns. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next week. Bye! And here we have our Deddy Bear blind box coffin mini plush surprise. Including the ultra rare little Yeti. I'm so excited. Just perfect for cooler weather, cuddling, and watching Halloween movies.